Welcome, in front of me is a LENOVO Idea Tab Pro, and today I will show you how you can enable power saving mode on this device. So to get started, we're gonna swipe down from the top of the screen and you will see a bunch of toggles right here, and then swipe down again on this area and it will extend it along with giving you the names for it. And you can see we should have our power saving mode visible. There we go. When you tap on it, it gives you this pop-up. So battery saver turns on dark theme, restricts background activity, and delays notifications. So anyway, we're gonna select turn on, and that's it. It's now enabled. Once you're done using it, you can tap on the toggle once again to just turn it off. And obviously this will revert all the changes. So if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.